Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I've got a new project reveal for 2020. Hope you guys had a good Christmas and a good New Year. I thought I'd get stuck into the new year by showing you guys my new project. So this is a 1978 Mazda 929 Station Wagon. It's a Series 3 model, so it has a different front than the traditional RX4 929 Series 1 and 2s, which are known as the pointy nose or flat nose. This is a bit more, I guess a bit more RX5-y type stuff. So yeah, this is it. I picked it up off a good mate. Done me a good deal on it. It's pretty much complete and pretty tidy, so I'm just putting my sort of flair on it, which I've got the tools out, so I'll give you a quick walk around. But today I've managed to source some genuine Mazda guard mirrors. So we're going to fit them. We're going to fit the external sun visor, and then that will do for today. And then in future episodes, we'll go through the brakes, the drive line, basically just give it a cool tidy up. My aim for this project is not to really restore it. It's pretty complete already. A little rust here and there in the panels, but the actual chassis and recorders and everything are really good. So I'm pretty much just getting it on the road as like a summer cruiser, just putt around in. I can put my channel stickers on it, go to car shows. I don't know, I'll just sort of be a cool way to, at least I guess I have something to cruise around in that's old school while it's summer in Australia. And then maybe during winter I can think about maybe pulling off the road and replacing doors and stuff like that. But I thought it'd be something cool to attach to my channel. Firstly, I can pump out some cool videos. Secondly, I can put some subtle stickers on it and go do a few meets here and there. And I don't know, I just thought it'd be something cool. Actually, first time ever owning a 929 Station Wagon, and I actually love it. So yeah, so enough talking. I'll give you a quick walk around and then let's get stuck into fitting the guard mirrors and sun visor. So here it is. I'll give you a quick walk around. It's got no brakes, so I can't really pull it out of my shed just yet, but it gives you an idea of how cool it is. So 78 probably being the last of the 929 wagons in this shape. I'll give you, so you can see we've got to do some interior work and whatnot. Pretty cool blue velour interior. I'll show you guys the back quickly. I don't know how well you can see it back here, but that's sort of the rear end. So one of the things we've got to do is replace this strut down here. I want to repaint all the wheels. I'm going to fit the guard mirrors, fender mirrors, whatever you call them, but I'm going to paint them eventually. I think we're going to paint the front grille, but what a cool shape. You never see these on the road. You never see them in, firstly, you never see them on the road. Secondly, half decent condition. So this is really cool. But yeah, let me chuck you on a tripod and let's get stuck into it. So as you guys can see, I've already marked the area roughly with how I want it. So what we're going to do now is start drilling. So the trick with this is not to go too fast with the drill and to just keep on checking. So we need to make sure we have enough space for these to get into. So I've still got a bit to go. Yeah, so we've got quite a bit to go, I think. Okay guys, it's the next day. I just went ahead and finished up the guard mirrors. You would have seen me doing it yesterday. It was a real pain in the butt, so I saved you guys watching me struggle and curse for like an hour. So because these are genuine mirrors, they fit with like a spring and plate, which I showed you. They don't just simply bolt up, so it's really hard to compress the spring to hook on the mirrors. So I fitted them, went ahead and did the sun visor, and just blacked out the grille. It was in need of some painting. So yeah, we blacked out the grille, just gloss. Turned out really well because the weather's quite warm. So while I've got the car out here, I'll give you guys a quick tour. So yeah, so this is the new channel project. I've put some RX4 center caps on it. I'm going to paint the wheels up like a charcoal grey, and I'm thinking about the mirrors as well. But yeah, you can sort of see it out and about. It's been lowered in the back. I've got to sort out the lower apron, so I've got to paint this up and straighten it up a bit. I've got to fit another bar to it or straighten up my current bar. I pretty much pulled this out of a mate's shed, and he pulled it from the country. You pretty much call it a survivor. It is a survivor. It's never been restored. My aim with it is just to give it a quick tidy up and get on the road and cruise it for Melbourne summer, and also maybe use it as a bit of a channel promotion too. So I might whack some of my YouTube stickers maybe on the back window or whatever. Do you want to give the guys a look at the back, guys, girls? Yeah, so I might whack maybe just a sticker up here or something, so when I cruise it around they can associate it with my channel. Some of the future stuff I've got to do is I've got to fit the strut on the other side, still do all the brakes. I'm thinking about putting some roof racks on the top here that I'm trying to get from another wagon. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys the guard mirrors done and the sun visor, and outside of the shed you guys can probably get a bit better look at the car as a whole. So you guys can sort of get the gist of what I'm trying to achieve. But yeah, if you enjoy old Mazda content or enjoy my channel just in general, yeah, if you enjoy old Mazda content or my channel in general, be sure to show some love by subscribing. I'd appreciate it. Gets me motivation to do the rest of this sort of builds. If you see me out and about in the Pitmobile, come say hi. I'm approachable, and yeah, hopefully see you guys on some cruises or whatnot. Cheers.